This is lesson 12.5, still data displays and measures of center. The first page is for you to check your homework, 12.4. Our numeracy problem for the day says, Donna has 27 roses to divide evenly among 3 vases. How many roses will go in each vase? Our first topic is the mean. So the mean represents a fair share and a balance point in a group of data points. So the mean is the average. How you find it is you add up all of the values in your data set and you find the total. Then you need to divide the total by the amount of numbers you added together. And you can see on the chart, it has 7 data points added up equal 32. That's your total. And then you divide the total, 32, by the amount of numbers in the data set, which are 7. So 32 divided by 7 is 4.57. On page 675, it gives us a problem. It says 5 students were on an archaeological dig. The students found several arrowheads, which are stones shaped like an arrow. One student found 1, another student found 5, another student found 7, another student found 3, and another student found 4. The students agreed to divide the arrowheads evenly. How many arrowheads should each student get? So like the video, you need to move the counters from the tallest stacks into the smaller stacks, and you continue to do this until all of the stacks are even. And then you count the number of counters in each stack. So the number of counters in each stack is the mean or average. It tells you the number of arrowheads each student will get if they're divided equally. There are 5 stacks of 4 counters, so each student gets 4 arrowheads. On page 676, it says the mean can also be seen as a balance point. It says Miss Burnham's class has a walkathon as a fundraiser to get new computer lab equipment. 5 students walked in this walkathon. Their miles were 1, 1, 2, 4, and 7. The mean distance walked is 3 miles. Complete the dot plot so you have your set of data. And you can see that in the middle is 3. Also on this page is some charts. It says complete the table to find the distance of the data points from the mean. So we know the mean is 3, and all the values less than 3 are the 1 mile, 1 mile, and 2 miles. And then if you look, the values that are greater than 3 are 4 miles and 7 miles. Now you need to find how far away those points are from the mean. So from 1 mile to 3 miles, there's 2 miles in between. And you continue to fill out the chart. And then the total distance from the mean for the values less than 3 are 2 miles plus 2 miles plus 1 mile. So it's 5 miles. Then when you look at the total distance from the mean for the values greater than 3, you need to add 4 plus 1, and that gives you 5. So, says the total distance of data values less than the 3 in this example are equal to the total distance of data values greater than the mean, which was 3 in this example. The mean represents the balancing point of data values that are less than the mean and greater than the mean. This is a bit of a confusing slide, so please ask Ms. Davis or myself if you have any questions. And Ms. Davis did put the answers in to this slide so that you can check your work. For number 3, explain how you found the distance of each data value from the mean. And it says, I used the number line in the dot plot to count the number of units from each data value to the mean of 3. And number 4, can all the values in a data set be greater than the mean? Yes or no? Well, the answer is no, because if you have all values that are greater than the mean, then the mean could not represent a balancing point. Okay, page 611 is a quick check. Try this on your own. On the first day of school, fundraiser, 5 students sold 1, 1, 2, 2, and 4 gift boxes of candy. So you got to fill out the paragraph. And the summary. 4 friends go to breakfast, and the cost of their breakfast are $5, $8, $9, and $10. Select true or false for each statement. The mean of the cost of breakfast can be found by adding each of the costs and then dividing by 4. 7B. The mean cost of all 4 breakfasts is $10. 7C. The difference between the greatest cost and the mean is 2. 7D. The difference between the least cost and the mean is 2. And the last page is your homework. It says pages 697 and 680, evens only. Good luck.